Go to obsproject.com in your browser. Choose your system, operating system. File will be downloaded. Open downloaded OBS Studio exe file. Click Next. Leave default destination folder and click Next. Then click Finish. Configure OBS. Open OBS Studio in your desktop. Click Settings at the bottom right. Leave default settings in General and Stream tab. Go to the Output tab. Change recording quality to high and file size to medium. Change recording format to MP4 and ignore the warning. Leave default audio settings. Go to the Video tab. Output resolution to be the same as base canvas resolution. Then click Apply and OK. Click the plus icon on the Sources part at the bottom of the window. Choose Display Capture. Name it as System Monitor and click OK. You can now see the copy of your screen in a window because you are recording your screen. Now your configuration of OBS is completed. Check your OBS configuration status. Once configuration is completed, click Start Recording at the bottom right. Minimize OBS software. Now your screen will be under recording mode. All your activities on your screen will be recorded. Your desktop audio or your microphone could be muted by using Audio Mixer at the center button of the OBS. After completing your presentation, open OBS and click Stop Recording. Your video will be saved in your destination folder. Go to the link given in the description. Choose your operating system. Fill your information in the form. Click Register and Download at the bottom. the file will be downloaded. Extract the downloaded compressed DaVinci Resolve file in the same folder. Once extraction is done, open executable DaVinci file. Required packages recommended will automatically be selected by default. Now click Install. Click Next to read and accept the terms. Leave default installation directory, then click Install. Click Finish. Then click OK. Open the DaVinci Resolve from your desktop. The Resolve has 8 major applications such as Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver. The media is to add your recorded file and audio files. Cut is to crop or split the video part from your video or audio. Edit is to adjust your video brightness, contrast, and more. Also, it could be used to boost your audio volume. Fusion is used only for visual effects and compositing. This will not be used to edit your tutorial. Color and Fairlight will be explained in the separate video. Deliver option is used for exporting your edited video in the output format. Go to Media tab using Navigator at the bottom of the screen. Go to the destination folder of your raw video in the Media Storage tab at the upper left corner. To edit, drag the required video in the media pool. If there is a pop-up note to change the project setting according to the video, click Change. Then, go to the Cut tab. Click and drag the red tracking bar to the video section, which is to be cropped or split. Then right-click on the video and select Split. Your video will now be cut into 2 parts. Select the part that you want to remove from the video and click Delete. To add a video at the end, drag the additional video from the media pool to your cut timeline. Now go to Edit. To mute or remove the default audio from your video, click M on the audio channel. Drag a new audio file from the bin and drop it into the timeline. Then, align and shrink with your video using your cursor. To reduce the volume of your background audio, click Audio in Edit. The inspector will appear on the top right corner. Now, adjust the volume level according to your needs. Go to the Deliver tab. Enter your file name in Render Settings at the upper left corner. Then click Browse and select a destination location. Do not change any settings. Now click Add to Render Queue. Then, click Start Render on the upper right in the Render Queue tab. Then, Resolve will start exporting your video. Go to your destination location, open your video and check. Uploading video. Open Google Drive or OneDrive and create a new folder with your course name. Click New, then click File Upload. Choose your course file from your destination folder and click Upload. Wait for some time as your file upload takes several minutes. File upload status will be shown at the bottom right of your screen. Once the file is uploaded, go back and right-click on the folder to share. Choose anyone in the link option and copy your link. Then click Done. Send the copied link to Eclave team through mail or any messaging platform.